Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream easy full guide. Chill your bowl and beaters for at least 15 minutes before you start to speed up whipping. I'll walk through tools, cream types, sugar options, and timing so you get fluffy peaks every time. This is a friendly, step-by-step guide you can follow in any kitchen, whether you use a whisk, hand mixer, or stand mixer. Start with cold heavy cream, 30 to 36% fat, and add 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar per cup for sweetness. Use chilled tools and mix on medium speed until soft peaks, then increase briefly for firm peaks. I'll explain how different sweeteners and stabilizers change texture and how to avoid overwhipping. Stay relaxed. I'll describe timing cues, visual checks, and quick fixes to rescue curdled or grainy cream easily. Once you master whipping, you can flavor with vanilla, citrus zest, liqueur, or cocoa for different desserts. I'll show how to fold whipped cream into mouses, layer parfaits, and pipe-stable dollops for cakes. Also learn simple chilled storage, reheating rules for sauces, and how to stabilize cream for warmer events. The tips are practical and quick, so you can enjoy better texture and flavor on every dessert today easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.